one of the most elusive animals to spot in the wild. They have dark brown hair with a very distinctive yellow or white throat patch. They are about the size of a small domestic cat and sport a long, bushy tail. Pine martens, together with their dens, are protected under the Wildlife and Countryside Act and are classified as a priority species in the UK Biodiversity Action Plan. It is illegal to trap, sell, or disturb them unless it is under license. By 1926, the Pine Marten population in the UK was virtually extinct, with just a small population in Scotland, Wales, and the Lake District. Persecution by gamekeepers and deforestation was the predominant cause. Additionally, poachers trapped and killed them for their fur. Populations are now increasing, albeit estimates support that there are only somewhere between 3,000 to 4,000 individuals in the UK as a whole. Despite the protected status of pine martens, there are multiple deaths each year through poison traps aimed at foxes and other predatory animals. Pine martens are predominantly nocturnal, hunting at night and resting in the day. They have an acute vision as well as a sense of smell, which enables them to find and hunt prey. A carnivorous animal, they favor small mammals such as mice, rabbits, and voles. They will also eat birds as well as amphibians. Interestingly, the resurgence of pine martens has helped the native red squirrel population recover. The grey squirrel is virtually oblivious to the predatory threat of pine martens and often forms part of the pine marten's diet. When their carnivorous prey is scarce, they eat fruit and berries. The Scottish Highlands are the main habitat for pine martens, as well as isolated populations in the south of Scotland and Northern Ireland. By the end of the 20th century, pine martens were pretty much extinct in England and Wales. However, they have since recovered, with small confirmed populations observed in some areas of England as well as Wales, and larger populations in Scotland. The pine martens thrive in woodlands, where they live in holes inside trees, as well as old birds' nests and squirrel drays. Notably, they sometimes set up their dens in the fallen root masses of Scottish pine trees, and it is this association that perhaps earned them their curious name. Their territories span up to 25 square kilometers, though this very much depends on the availability of food. Pine martens are fantastic climbers and can leap between branches up to 1.3 meters and can endure falls of up to 6 meters without succumbing to injuries. Despite this, they normally feed on the ground. They hunt alone and mark their territories with scats to ward off other pine martens. During the mating season, they can often be heard making cat-like noises. The females have litters of up to 3 to 5 individuals, which are born without fur and blind. Youngsters are all weaned and independent by the summer. Their average lifespan is 10 years. The adult body length is up to 45 centimeters, with a further 25 centimeters for tail length. They weigh up to 1.7 kilograms. It is known for them to be hunted by golden eagles, foxes, and even the Scottish wild.